Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn about everyday kitchen vocabulary in Levantine Arabic. We're talking spoons, bowls, you name it. You can find the corresponding vocab sheet to this video in the Shami Speaker store, which will be linked here and in the description box. Let's get started. First, let's start off with how to say kitchen. مطبخ مطبخ. Spoon. The singular form is معلقة. Notice how the qaf is changed to a glottal stop or hamza sound, and this is common in some Levantine dialects. معلقة. Spoons. The plural form is معالق. معالق. Fork. The singular form is شوكة. شوكة. Forks. The plural form is شوك. شوك. Knife. The singular form is سكينة. سكينة. Let's hear the plural version. Knives. سكاكين. سكاكين. Plate. The singular form is صحن. صحن. The plural form, plates, is صحون. صحون. Bowl or Tupperware. The singular form is جات. جات. For the plural, bowls or Tupperwares, we say جطات. جطات. Jar. The singular form is مرتبان. مرتبان. The plural form, jars, is مراتب. مراتب. Cup, glass, or mug. The singular form is كوباية or كوباي. The plural form, cups, glasses, and mugs, is كوبايات. كوبايات. Now here's a word used to mean glass, like as in a glass of water. The singular form is كاسة. كاسة. The plural form, glasses, is كاسات. كاسات. Here we have yet another drinking container, and this one refers to a small cup. The singular form is فنجان. فنجان. The plural form, small cups, is فناجين. فناجين. So we just looked at 3 different ways to say cup or glass, so let's see them in example usage. The first one we have is a cup of tea. كوباية شاي. كوباي means cup, شاي means tea. كوباية شاي. And notice how the ta marbuta at the end of كوباي links up with the next word, so we have a ta sound. Next we have a glass of water. كاسة مي. كاسة means glass and مي means water. كاسة مي. Again, that ta marbuta sound in كاسة turns into a ta sound when the word مي follows it. And lastly, a cup of coffee. فنجان قهوة. Finjan refers to that small cup that coffee and tea is usually served in, and قهوة means coffee. فنجان قهوة. Alright, let's move on to some more vocabulary. We have pot. In its singular form, it's pronounced طنجرة. طنجرة. Pots, the plural form is طناجر. طناجر. Pot lid, singular. غطا. غطا. Pot lids, plural. أختي أختي. Frying pan, singular, مقلاية. In speech you also might hear it said as مقلاي. Again, the qaf sound is turning into a hamza or glottal stop sound. Frying pans, plural, مقالي مقالي. Jug. This can be pronounced as إبريق, the way that it is spelt, or in fast colloquial speech you will more often hear it pronounced as بريق, so dropping that initial alif sound. So the two ways are إبريق or بريق. Teapot. Here we're going to combine the word that we just learned with the word in Arabic for tea, which is shay. So we can either pronounce it as إبريق shay or بريق shay. In this case, I mostly hear it pronounced the first way, إبريق shay. Dough mixer, عجانة عجانة. Fridge, براد براد. Fridge or freezer. So this word can mean either of the two or the combination of the two, and it is pronounced ثلاجة ثلاجة. Notice how the word begins with the letter th. However, in colloquial Levantine speech, it's often pronounced with the letter th. Here's another way to say the word freezer. فريزة فريزة. Stove or gas burner. غاز غاز. Oven, فرن فرن. Kitchen sink, مجلة مجلة. Faucet, حنفية حنفية. Towel, منشفة منشفة. Table, طاولة طاولة. Meal spread, سفرة سفرة. While this is not a common word in English, in Arabic it's used very frequently to refer to the meal that is being served. For instance, in English you would say the food is ready, but in Arabic you would say السفرة جاهزة, which means the meal spread is ready. Chair, كرسي كرسي. Dirty dishes, jelly jelly. Dish detergent, dawa jelly. This is actually comprised of two words, dawa, which usually means medicine, and jelly, which means dishes or dirty dishes. Dawa jelly. Dishwasher, جلاية جلاية. Recipe, وصفة وصفة. Garbage, زبالة زبالة. Garbage can, سطل زبالة. سطل means can and زبالة means garbage. سطل زبالة. And if you're interested in getting one-on-one tutoring in a specific dialect, I highly recommend the platform italki. It's a game changer. They have an extensive network of online tutors who are native speakers in various Arabic dialects. You can set up your own schedule and personalize your goals for an affordable price. You can set up as many or as little lessons as you want. Use the link displayed here and you'll get $10 after your first purchase. I'll also have the link in the description box. If you do end up using it, leave a comment below describing your experience and what you learned. And those are all the everyday kitchen vocabulary we're going to learn today in Levantine Arabic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you can find the vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store. I'll see you in the next video. Ma salama.